Introduction to the subject, Financial Reporting. FR. About the subject. The financial reporting subject covers all the fundamentals of financial reporting. It has following 5 main sections. One, the conceptual framework of accounting. First section focuses on the conceptual framework of accounting. A conceptual framework for financial reporting is an attempt to codify existing, generally accepted accounting practices, that is, GAAP, in order to reappraise current accounting standards and to produce new standards. Although it is theoretical in nature, a conceptual framework for financial reporting has practical final aims. 2. The regulatory framework. We will be next learning about regulatory framework pertaining to financial reporting, that is, international financial reporting standards. These reporting standards are developed through a formal system of due process and broad international consultation, involving accountants, financial analysts and other users, and regulatory bodies from around the world. This regulatory framework is the most important element in ensuring relevant and faithfully presented financial information, and thus meeting the needs of shareholders and other users. 3. Preparation of financial statements, which conform with IFRS. Preparation of financial statements is one of the most important aspects of reporting. IFRS-compliant financials include Statement of Financial Position, that is, SOFP, Statement of Profit or Loss, that is, SPL, Statement of Other Comprehensive Income, that is, SOCI, Statement of Changes in Equity, SOCE, and Statement of Cash Flows, that is, SCF. Preparation of all these statements is based on the basic understanding of all the relevant IFRS and how they shall be recognized in the financial statements. This section only covers the preparation of financial statements for a standalone entity. 4. Preparation of consolidated financial statements. In traditional accounting terminology, a group of companies consists of a parent company and one or more subsidiary companies, associates, or joint ventures, which are controlled by the parent company. The methodology of consolidating all the results of companies within a group is covered in this section. 5. Analysis and interpretation of financial statements. Analysis and interpretation is useful in finding out answers to fundamental questions such as whether the entity is doing well or badly, or whether it is financially strong or financially vulnerable, etc. Apart from these topics, the subject also include analysis of consolidated financial statements, contracts where performance obligations are satisfied over a period of time, biological assets, financial instruments, leases, and foreign currency. There is also coverage of creative accounting and the limitations of financial statements and ratios. Skills required for successful completion of the subject. Financial reporting advances a student's knowledge and skills in financial accounting. Students must be familiar with accounting for inventories and non-current assets, and preparing simple statements of profit or loss, statements of financial position, and statements of cash flows. They also must know the basic ratios